students, welcome to Shruti Academy. So let us start with the proof of the theorem 6.9, which is the converse of the Pythagoras theorem of chapter 6 triangles for CBSE class 10th NCERT. Okay. So the theorem says in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is the right angle. So it is just the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem, it says the side which is opposite to the 90 degrees is the hypotenuse. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. And over here it is saying that already it is being given that the square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, and we need to prove that the angle opposite to the first side is the 90 degrees. So it is just the opposite of the Pythagoras theorem. That's why this theorem is also known as the converse of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So we can see over here what all things are given to us. The given thing are what all things are given to us over here. So let us draw a triangle over here. Let us draw a triangle. Let us see the triangle. We are drawing the triangle over here, A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay. So AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so this is given to us. Let us mark it what all things are given to us, and let us mark it as equation number 1 itself. Okay. So what we need to prove? We need to prove angle B to be equal to 90 degrees. We need to prove this angle to be 90 degrees. So it is saying the first side we are taking over here AC. We are taking AC. This is the hypotenuse. This should be the hypotenuse actually when we will be proving here 90 degree. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square we have been given. We are taking over here. So they are saying that opposite to the first side the angle is B. So angle B should be 90 degrees. We need to prove this. So for that we need to make a construction. Let us write down the construction, what all we need to do for the construction. For the construction we need to take another triangle such that, let us take the triangle to be equal to PQR such that angle Q is 90 degrees and PQ side should be equal to AB and QR side should be equal to BC. So we are taking over here. So for the construction we are taking a triangle. We are taking a triangle PQR such that angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So we have been given over here that the angle Q is 90 degrees and AB should be equal to PQ. So PQ should be of the same length as that of AB and BC should be equal to QR and BC should be equal to QR. So QR should be of the same length as that of BC. Okay. So these are the things we are taking over here. Now we can clearly see PQR is a right angle triangle. So in here we can easily apply theorem 6.8, which is the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So over here we can say PQ square plus QR square will be equal to PR square. From theorem 6.8. Okay, which is our Pythagoras theorem. We can easily see over here. So now substituting the values, PQ is equals to AB and QR is equals to BC. Okay, let us mark it as equation number 2. over here. Okay, so now AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR. So substituting AB is equal to PQ and QR is equal to BC in equation number 2. Okay, so substituting PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC in equation 2. So we are getting over here from the equation 2, we will be getting over here AB square plus BC square will be equal to PR square, square. Let us mark it as equation number 3. So from 1 and 3 we can clearly see over here 1 and 3 the AB square plus BC square is common. So this LHS is common over here. So RHS can be equated. So from 1 and 3 we will be getting over here AC square to be equal to PR square. So when squares are there, any number is having any square, and then removing the square, taking the square root, the number is also equal. So AC will be equal to, this implies that AC will be equal to PR. So this implies that AC will be equal to PR. Okay, so this implies that AC will be equal to PR. So one condition more we have got, AC is equal to PR. So now taking the both of the triangles, let us take both the triangles, taking triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay, so we already know that AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to QR by construction. The reason is that by construction they are equal. So we can easily write over here. Okay, then let us mark it as equation number 4. So from here we are having AC is equal to PR by equation 4. Okay, so we see that all the three sides of the triangle are both the triangles are equal. So both the triangles are congruent. By triple S, side. Both the triangles are congruent by triple S. Okay, they are congruent by triple S. Okay, so they are congruent. So when they are congruent, their corresponding angles will be equal. Their angles will be also equal. Okay, so we can easily say angle B is equal to angle Q by CPCT. Okay, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal. We have already studied this. So angle B will be equal to angle Q. Angle Q is equal to 90. We have already assumed by construction. Okay. So angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. And this only we need to prove that angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So we have proved over here. Hence proved. Okay, so ultimately we have proved that the angle B is the angle opposite to the first side of the triangle and it is equal to 90 degree. So here we have proved our converse of Pythagoras theorem, which is the theorem number 6.9 of chapter 6 triangles for class 10 CBSE NCERT. Okay, so In this manner, we need to prove this theorem. Okay, so thank you. So please subscribe my channel, please share my videos, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.